Hello, good morning, dear friends. This is Mr. Pavan Thakare, Assistant Professor in the Department of Zoology. I welcome to all BSc partner students in this academic year. Today, it will be my first presentation, and we will start with the unit regarding with the Phylum Mollusca. We will see everything in today's presentation about the Phylum Mollusca and their general characters. These are the contents of today's presentation. These contents includes introduction of Phylum Mollusca. Then we will see the general characters of Phylum Mollusca, outline classification of Phylum Mollusca, type study. In the type study of Phylum Mollusca, we will see generally the good example of Phyla globosa. The common name of that Phyla globosa is the apple's name. Then we will see the habitat regarding with the Phyla globosa, and finally we will focus on the external features of Phyla globosa. Let's move toward one by one in details. We will see everything in that unit of Phylum Mollusca. Okay, let's start with the heading introduction of Phylum Mollusca. On this slide, you can see we'll see the introduction of Phylum Mollusca. What is Phylum Mollusca? What are the general characters of Phylum Mollusca? We will see everything in details. Now let's start. The mollusca, Latin mollis meaning soft, are soft bodied, unsegmented, triploblastic, that is having three layers of body, that is ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm, bilaterally symmetrical, coelomates that contain a muscular foot, a visceral hump, and a mantle. They are usually covered by a hard shell. This tremendously successful phylum includes more than 10,000 living and 35,000 extinct species. In that phylum Mollusca, there are about living 10,000 species and extinct 35,000 species. Now, the study of mollusks animal, which comes under the phylum Mollusca, is termed as phalacology, and that of study regarding the shells of that mollusk animal is termed as the conchology. Mollusks have a medical importance in different disciplines. Phyla globosa is the slowest moving animal in that phylum Mollusca. Let's move toward on the next slide. Here you can see the leading general characters regarding with the Phylum Mollusca. Mollusks are essentially aquatic animals. They mostly are marine animals. Some of them are living in fresh water, and some have the amphibious form. That is, some mollusk animals live in water as well as in land. Body is soft, unsegmented, bilaterally symmetrical. That is, the body can easily divided into two halves and consists of head, foot, mantle, and visceral mass. Head is distinct, bearing mouth, eyes, and tentacles, but tentacles are absent in certain class of Phylum Mollusca, that is Pelisapoda and Scaphopoda. The tentacles are mostly useful for sensing the prey, in that case of mollusk animal. It has a large muscular ventral foot which is modified in different forms and functions. Mollusk animal generally wears the ventral foot for the locomotion purpose. Mantle or pallium covers the visceral mass, contains internal organs, and secretes the shell. Shell, when present, usually univalve, constituting an exoskeleton bony structure here. Internal shell in some mollusks. Body skin single layered, mostly ciliated with the mucous glands. Then body cavity is hemocele. True coelom is represented by pericardial cavity, gonadial cavity, and kidney. Means the coelom is present, and this coelom is represented with three different forms of the structures. That is, pericardial cavity is also there, gonadial cavity, and kidneys are also present in paired form. Alimentary tract or digestive tract is either straight or coiled. Jaws are present in many, in especially gastropods and cephalopods. Pharynx has a rasping organ, that is radula, except in class Pelisapods in Phylum Mollusca. Next character is circulatory system is open type, consisting of dorsal heart with one or two auricles and one ventricles. Few of the mollusk consists or bears one or two auricles with the one ventricle in the heart of certain mollusk type of animal. Respiratory system consists of one or more pairs of cnidia or gills, usually provided with osphagium and olfactory organ present at the base. Lung is developed in terrestrial forms. In case of certain mollusk animal, the respiratory system found in two ways. One is aquatic mode of respiration and second one is the aerial mode of respiration. If the aquatic mode of respiration is taking place in few cases of mollusk animal, then gills are playing their important role in aquatic respiration. But when certain few species of the mollusk are rendering on the land, then the cnidia or lung plays important role in the aerial respiration in that particular case. Next, excretion by paired metanephridia. Paired kidneys are present here, and metanephridia plays very important role in excretory system. Next, nervous system of paired ganglia, connectives and nerves are also found in mollusk. Sense organs includes paired tentacles, eyes, statocysts, and the ostradia. All organs are very formed present in case of mollusk animal and perform their very important functions. Sexes usually separate. Fertilization is either external or internal. Development is direct or interrupted with the larval stage. Chocophore is the first larval stage. Villiger is the typical larva of millipedes. So these all are the general characters of phylum Mollusca. Now we'll move toward on the next